Ready?
Yeah. Alright, so we got here's your seal time. Right there, seal time, seal temperature.
Seal point. Got the reset here you don't want to touch. There's your bag count, lot size, all of that. You can go to automatic. Set your pace rate if you're on automatic, and set your air pulse, how long it stays on.
Awesome, we got a full manual here too. We also have another hopper if you want to put run two at a time, or a larger bag. There's the air input. This has been totally refurbished. Brand new bands, new cards, new circuit boards. The foot pedal. And there's the automatic button for loading. They stay online until and they're all sealed. And Autobag makes any kind of bag you want for this machine.